Okay, I am only allowed to get wheel chocks. That's what I'm going in here for. Wheel chocks. This is not going to end well. This is not going to end well. Well, shit, the ones that I wanted, they're not here. I guess I can get these ones. I guess I could technically work. Anybody who saw the Harbor Freight video from earlier would, I guess this is why I'm looking for an extra tool cart, because this is the tool cart I'm currently working with. It's a little overloaded, got boxes of stuff just kind of hanging around everywhere, and that's like electronic bullshit. But I think I'm about to make a decision. Oh yeah, by the way, that's not to mention some of the stuff I have out here from the other job and a bunch of other tools that I may or may not have just picked up, so I've got to find a place to put those. Other gloves I have too. Too much shit. And that decision does not involve Murphy. It involves Betty. Also need to put this new license plate on it. And I need to move it because I put it too damn close to the wall to get to keep the crackheads away. Considering the, I don't know, 3 miles a gallon this fucking truck gets, got me a new license plate. Alright then, now that that's all taken care of, let's go make some bad decisions. It's a little hot out here. Alrighty. Let's go spend a ridiculous amount of money. Taking Betty out for projects. Woohoo, yeah! That was like $3 in gas right there. Well, hello there, beautiful. Cheap, beautiful. What you doing later? I sweet talked her and she's coming home with me. We're gonna have some fun. We'll get all up in her. Well, I'm gonna have to move these, but yeah, this is a lot better. Like everything fit in there, and I still have room. So that means I just need to buy more tools. Oh, bummer.